Hi there, my name is Ben from over at Nissan in Bournemouth. Just want to give you a quick video around this stunning Nissan 370z Nismo finished in pearlescent white. So let's take a look around. Xenon headlights and headlight washers. Finished in pearlescent storm white with Nismo red body kit. "19-inch diamond cut alloys wrapped in Goodyear Eagle F1 tyres. Twin pipe exhaust and coloured rear camera. This stunning example of a Nissan 370z Nismo, 3.6 litre, 344 brake horsepower, which we are lucky to have here at Nissan Bournemouth. Jumping inside the car, we have the traditional Nismo Recaro seats. Iconic 370z gauges, full satellite navigation and push start keyless entry. If the exhaust isn't enough to put a smile on your face, you also have the Bose sound system for all your entertainment needs. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the stunning Nissan 370z that we have in stock at the moment. For any inquiries, please contact the sales team here at Nissan on 01202 844 942. Many thanks.